Hi, I'm Hillary Hess with Helping of Happiness. I'm really excited to share with you our Baked BBQ Ribs recipe today. This recipe is something that we love to make at Halloween because it's really cute with the ribs of like the bones that they come out super tender and super easily. We also love this recipe for the day before Christmas Eve, Christmas Adam, because of the rib and Adam and the rib. Anyway, it's super fun. And it's just the easiest recipe and it's so tender and good and everybody just loves it. So let me show you how to make it. So tell me what you're making your ribs for. Are you making it for family dinner? Are you making this for a special occasion like Halloween or for Christmas Adam? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any others.